Bini Kapamilya Hanggang Dulo with your host, I. Dela Cruz.
Hello mga kapamilya! A blooming afternoon to everyone joining us today for the latest milestone of the nation's girl group. We are coming to you live from the ABS-CBN Dolphy Theater kung saan damang-dama ng lahat ang excitement for what's about to happen. Once again, this is Bini Kapamilya Hanggang Dulo, the network contract signing. At syempre mga kapamilya, kasama kayo sa ating special celebration para sa ating walo. So shout out to all the blooms joining us online. Keep sharing the live streams from the official Facebook and YouTube accounts of Star Magic, ABS-CBN Entertainment, and of course, Bini Official. We are also streaming live on I Want. Kaya naman blooms! Keep on using the hashtag Bini Kapamilya Hanggang Dulo on all platforms to support our girls today. And this just in, tayo po ay #1 trending topic na on X. Thank you very much. Please do use our official hashtag Bini Kapamilya Hanggang Dulo. And as you may have seen already, we've got a full house of very important people to witness this beautiful day for Bini. Let's welcome our VIPs from ABS-CBN, starting with Bini's manager for Star Magic, Miss Maylene Quintana Malyari. Hello, Miss MQ! The legendary Miss MQ. Ang daming fans. And now, we have the esteemed bosses of ABS-CBN. First up, the head of ABS-CBN Music and Integrated Events, Mr. Roxy Liquigan. Hi, Sir Roxy! And we also have the head of Star Magic and Entertainment Production, our tatay, Mr. Laurenti Jogi! Hello, Direk Lauren! Of course, ever present. Kasama rin natin ang ating Chief Finance Officer, Mr. Rick Tan! Good afternoon, Sir Rick! And of course, we also have our Chief Operating Officer, Miss Cory Vidanes! Blooming si Tita Cory with her floral outfit as well, matching sa ating occasion, yes. And now we also have our President and CEO, Mr. Carlo Catigba! Hi, Sir Carlo! And our dear Chairman, Mr. Mark Lopez. Hello, Sir Mark. There you go. Thank you very much to our beloved management. No matter how busy you guys are, you always make time for our dear artists, especially ito na nga, para sa ating minamahal na Bini. And speaking of VIPs na hindi nawawala ang suporta sa Bini, nandito rin ang friends and family members of Bini. Hello po sa inyong lahat. As well as our friends from the media, thank you very much. And last but definitely not the least, we've got blooms in the house! Isa namang A! Kaya grabe, ibang klase talaga ang energy dito ngayon. At para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, for the past 8 days leading up to the contract signing, nag-attend ang Blooms ng Biniversity on the official Bini website, where members participated in trivia quizzes about Bini. At bilang ultimate prize for the lucky 88 Blooms who proved their knowledge sa Biniversity, kasama natin sila ngayon, live na live dito sa Dolphy Theater. Perfect ang score sa quiz. Perfect din ang attendance today. Hello sa lucky 88 Blooms natin! Congratulations and welcome, Blooms. Enjoy your prize as members of our official Beanie website. So sa mga hindi pa members, magpa-member na kayo ngayon. Ang daming perks, guys. And also with us today, ang masipag na professor ng Beanieversity, Ayana Perlas! Hi, Ayana! Isa namang A! Alright, stay tuned for more exclusive behind-the-scenes updates from today's special event. Now, whether you're here or watching us online, sit back and enjoy the show. I'm sure excited na kayong makita ang Beanie. Tama ba yun? Of course, excited na ang lahat. Pero bago yan, simulan natin by looking back at their story. How it started, how it's going, and where they're taking us this year and beyond. Let's watch this.
Ready, set position. Fighting on our own. Maloy. Hindi susuko. Joanna. Taas na tingala. Gwen. Nobody can stop me. This race I can live. No pressure, I'm steady. Nika. Got nothing against me.
Sa bawat tagumpay ng walo, kasama nila ay kayo.
Oh my gosh!
KCON 2024. Sold out Beanieverse shows.
The first Filipino girl group to stage 3 outstanding sold-out center stage show.
Successful launch of Beanie website. Awards here and abroad.
Mabuhay na Somos Beanie!
Thank you once again for recognizing Beanie. Mabuhay ang OPM. Okay?
Multiple endorsements. The nation's girl group is really born to win. At ngayong 2025, Blooms, get ready for more.
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice?
From the Philippine Arena to the World Tour, join the girls in their journey to conquer the world.
Wow, goosebumps all over! It has been quite a few years for Beanie at napakarami pa nating dapat abangan mula sa kanila. We definitely have a lot to celebrate today. So, ready na ba kayo, Blooms? Ready na lahat dito sa Dolby Theater, and I'm sure sa lahat ng mga nanonood online din. Kaya naman, mga kapamilya, please join me in welcoming the blooming idols who are making OPM history as the nation's girl group. Sila ang ating 8 hanggang dulo. Give it up for the girls. First up, let's welcome Beanie Sheena! And there you have it, Sheena is now inside the Dolby Theater, mga Bloom! Hi, Sheena! Kindly make your way towards the stage. Hello? Blooming as ever, of course, the youngest member ang ating bunso ng Beanie. And Sir Roxy is welcoming her with a bouquet of flowers. Welcome, Beanie Sheena! And now, let's welcome Beanie Joanna! course, our dear leader, Master Joanna, belated happy birthday. Please make your way towards the center of the stage. Dito tayo sa gitna. Yes. As Direk Lauren welcomes her with her own bouquet as well. And now, let's welcome Beanie Mika! Mika looking pristine in white. Hi, Mika! Parang natatawa lang si Mika, parang hindi siya makapaniwala sa nangyayari. Yes, this is happening, Mika. Kindly receive your flowers from Mr. Rick Tan. And now, let's welcome Beanie Stacy! Of course, our Princess Stacy in the house. All right, kindly make your way to the stage. And she is about to be welcomed by, of course, Sir Roxy Likigan. And now, let's welcome Beanie Gwen! As they make their way towards the stage, our dear Blooms are very excited to see Gwen. And she is welcomed by our dear tatay, Direk Lauren Jogi. And now, let's all welcome Beanie Maloy! Hello, Maloy. Yes. Let this sink in. She is greeting our dear friends from the media, our guests, and Maloy will be welcomed with a bouquet from our dear Tita Cory Vidanes. And now let's have Beanie Colette! Colette is being welcomed with screams from the Blooms inside the Dolphy Theater. All right. So she's carefully maneuvering her way towards the stage, and she's welcomed by our dear gentleman of a CEO, Sir Carlo Katigbak. There you go. And last but not the least, please welcome Beanie Aya! Aya, of course, just recently celebrated her birthday as well. Belated happy birthday! Demurely approaching the stage as always. Oo, ang pinagmula ng Beanie Run. Beanie Aya is being welcomed right now with flowers from our chairman, Sir Mark Lopez. kumpleto na nga ang ating OT8, the beautiful girls of Beanie. Now, before anything else, batiin niyo muna ang lahat ng Blooms watching us here and online. Go ahead. 2, 3. Mabuhay! We are Beanie!
Hello everyone! Thank you po for watching sa lahat ng kasama namin sa live stream and sa lahat ng Blooms na nandito! Yes!
Thank you very much, girls. Alam niyo ba na first time punong-puno itong theater natin para sa isang contract signing? Of course, it is all because of your Blooms. Full support din ang brand partners natin. Thank you very much. And of course, ang Beanie team nandito rin today. So girls, ito na, kumusta kayo? How are you feeling today?
Sobrang kinakabahan po kami backstage. Parang ito yung pinaka-formal na event na na-attend namin. Hindi kami sanay. Pero syempre, kinakabahan, natutuwa, and sobrang grateful lang kami for this day. And this contract signing is not just a milestone. It's a promise na palagi namin gagalingan. We will continue working hard and growing. Yes, as an artist. Thank you so much, ABS, dahil kasama namin sila sa mga susunod naming taon sa pagtupad ng mas marami pa po naming pangarap.
Very well said. Big words, big promises from the leader herself, Beanie Joanna, as she speaks on behalf of the whole Beanie team. Now, this is it, mga kapamilya, the newest milestone of Beanie with their forever home dito sa ABS-CBN. Guided by the grip of your hands, girls, please grab your pens and let's begin the official network contract signing with Beanie Kapamilya hanggang dulo! And now our dear bosses, the girls of Beanie, are signing their contracts. And for those who are watching online, baka you'd notice, no? In the background, you have the beautiful eyes as well of Beanie. Yung ilang gabi nating hinulaan, sino ba dyan? Aling member ang may-ari ng pictures na yan for their teasers for which song? Blink Twice. And I think, yes, we are done. On your screens, we are now seeing the signatures of Beanie. Looks like the deal has been sealed. So there you have it, mga kapamilya. It feels so good to have Beanie as our kapamilya hanggang dulo. Now, this contract is just the cherry on top of the strong foundation between Beanie and our Kapamilya network. So now, let's hear from the ABS-CBN bosses. Our dear CEO, Mang Cory Vidanes, has a message for the girls. Tita Cory, kindly do the honors po.
COO lang po ako, DJ.
Sorry po.
Huwag
Sorry
kong
po, Sir
agawan
Carlo.
ng pwesto ng boss ko. No, boss, it's fine. Good afternoon po, mga kapamilya. Good afternoon to everybody watching online. I would like to welcome to ABS-CBN all our friends from the press, our partners, our friends, and of course, the Blooms. Welcome to ABS. Hello, Beanie. Relax. This all started with a dream. And look at where you all are now. Masasabi ko lang, hey. Wow. It's been a long journey, but a very exciting, meaningful, and phenomenal journey. Sobrang happy kami for all of you. Congratulations and thank you very much. Thank you for your continued trust in ABS-CBN. You trusted us from the day each of you auditioned for Beanie until today that we signed our new contract. Joanna, don't cry because you're gonna make me cry. Hawa-hawa to. You know, this contract is very important to all of you and to us, because this is a commitment to our shared goal of world-class excellence. Congratulations on all your successes. We are very proud of who you have become and all that you have achieved. You have proven to be amazing, authentic, empowered women with excellent talent and with big hearts that are filled with love to share with everybody. Beanie, you are very special. Akong naging emotional. Okay. You are very, very special, and you have become a part of Pinoy culture. You have won the hearts of millions of Filipinos worldwide and millions of blooms. You rightfully deserve to be called our nation's girl group and the pride of the Filipino. We are very confident that because of your continuous hard work and your passion for excellence, Beanie will reach greater heights. We look forward to a journey, an exciting journey with all of you. With the ABS experience, it is so true that when God closes a door, He opens another. He opened the door for all of us to the world. So Beanie, make the most out of this opportunity. Show the world the excellence of Filipino talent. Okay. Our commitment in ABS-CBN is to forever take care of all of you. To be here to hold your hands, to guide you, to support you. Maaasahan nyo yan. To your parents and your families, thank you for trusting us through the years with your girls. Salamat. I would like to make special mention of the people behind the success of Beanie. Star Magic, Star Music, the Beanie team. Hindi ko na kayo iisa-isahin. You know who you are, and we will forever be grateful. Right, Beanie? Baka akong maiyak. Sa mga pamilya nyo, asahan po ninyo na patuloy namin aalagaan at mamahalin ang Beanie. To our advertisers and to the millions of blooms, thank you very, very much for your overwhelming support and love for Beanie. You know, we are going to show the world that Beanie's star will shine bright. Magsama-sama tayo to take Beanie to the world stage because we believe in their excellent talent and we believe that they can make the Filipino proud. So, Blooms, wag nyo kaming iiwan. You are a huge part of Beanie's success and our future successes. So we will always be grateful. So again, make the Filipino proud, Beanie. Thank you very much. Sheena, Joanna, Aya, Stacy, Mika. Sorry. Aya, Colette, Maloy, and Gwen. Alam niyong mahal na mahal namin kayo. I hope ramdam niyo yon. We all look forward to our continuing journey with you and our audiences worldwide as we give them many, many more years of more beautiful music, excellent performances, and fun, exciting, and memorable experiences. So girls, lahat umiiyak na, patay tayo. Stay good. Stay sincere. Be humble. And always, always be grateful. Love each other. That's what's unique about Beanie. The love you have for one another. And that's the love that will give you strength to go on. Journey will not be easy, but you have each other, you have us, and you have everybody with you. So, sorry. Continue to stand by your advocacies. Continue to stand by your advocacies. Share good vibes, kindness, and love. And be the best, Beanie. Be the best, not only for yourselves, but for everybody else and for the Filipino people. Good luck and enjoy the Beanieverse World Tour 2025. We love you very, very much.
We love you too, Ma'am Cory, and thank you very much for that very emotional and meaningful speech. The whole Dolphy Theater fell silent during the speech of Tita Cory, and I'm sure sa lahat din ng mga nanonood, nagpupunas na ngayon ng luha because that basically encapsulated everything in our hearts as well, lalo na sa lahat ng mga andon since day one at hanggang ngayon sumusuporta sa Beanie as they are about to celebrate their 4th anniversary pa lang this year, but they have already achieved so much. But at this point, after that very beautiful message from Tita Cory, Beanie, may gusto ba kayong sabihin sa ating kapamilya bosses? Si Aya.
Parang mas nakakaiyak na sumagot after that. Nakaka-pressure po. But, Lord, I don't think it's enough for a day to tell all our bosses how we are very grateful. And I don't have anything written down. I don't have anything naka-prepare, but one thing I will say is, I'll say this from my very, very heart, and that is thank you, because you were the first ones who believed in us, and we were still in our teenage years. Mostly sa amin, away from our families and friends, and it was really hard for us, but we trusted all of you po, and thank you so much for trusting us as well. And we're gonna keep trusting you until we are in our 30s or how many more years to come. And 13 na ako in the future nun. Pero bata pa rin ako, guys. So, and thank you so much, because you allowed us to be us. A lot of people, and we hear it, they love us because we are ourselves. We are authentic. And we thank you because you allow us to become authentic. You allow us to grow at our own pace. There is pressure, but pressure is good. But at the same time, you don't let us become lost and force us to become someone we are not. And that's very nice, kasi it's so easy for other people to give you an image na dapat ganito ka lang, and you shouldn't be anything else but just this. But then I'm Aya because I'm Aya, Colette is Colette, and so on for the other girls, and you let us embrace that. So we are so grateful, because other than that, then we also get to have our voice, and you don't shut us down. Thank you for being so understanding and for being so patient with all of us. We've gone through a lot for the first couple years together, and hindi madali with the whole shutdown and the pandemic and everything else, but knowing that we can get through that. Ano pa kaya in the next couple years? Ano pa mga challenges? And I think what's gonna be beautiful in the next couple years is that we're all still gonna be there for each other and conquer through all of those. So,
Thank you so much po for everything and for trusting us.
Thank you as well for that beautiful message, Aya, coming from the heart, di ba? No notes, talagang everything came from her heart. She expressed her gratitude sa ating, of course, kapamilya bosses, sa management. I liked the part where you emphasized yung pagiging authentic ninyo. Talagang ini-empower nila kayo to just be yourselves. And yun naman talaga yung minahal din natin sa Beanie. You know, we see that they are really very authentic, they're true to themselves, and of course, they bring so much honor and pride, hindi lang sa atin ng mga kapamilya, kundi para sa ating mga kababayan sa buong mundo. And we can't wait to see you dominate the world, of course. Ang kanilang global success, abangan natin yan. But aside from our dear kapamilya bosses and management, throughout Beanie's journey, the fans have been with them every step of the way. Sa layo ng biniyahe ng Beanie, kasabay nila ang Blooms na patuloy na nagbibigay ng lakas at inspirasyon sa kanila. And today is no different dahil may surprise ang Blooms for Beanie. So girls, here's a very special video from Blooms and by the Blooms. Sila mismo ang gumawa nito para sa inyo. Ano nga ba ang binigay ng Beanie sa Blooms? Let's find out through this message made with love for Beanie. Panoorin natin to.
From humble beginnings to soaring heights, their journey is a testament to the dreams and aspirations of every Filipino, reminding us all of what we can achieve when we embrace our own unique greatness. You continue to inspire with passion, talent, and unwavering dedication.
One of the gifts that Beanie has given me over the past year is really that courage and the audacity to dream big dreams and to start going after them with this joy and the raw energy and full heart.
Ang binigay sa akin ng Beanie ay pag-asa. Ang Beanie pa no, very transparent sinda. Nakikita talaga sa fans ninda, sa ninda supporters ko na ninda struggle sa life, nakikita ninda hardships. Kag miski damo-damo na chances na pwede sinda magsuko, or talaga sinda magsuko. So, ang mindset ko, kada nalilisudan ako, ang Beanie nga ni ora nagsuko, no kaya ko masuko. Ang Beanie nga ni kaya ninda, no kaya ko dili ko kaya.
Gitanaan ko nila comfort. Kana ganing gitalikta na sa tanan, pero sila na siniwait good for England girls. Beanie is always even. Kagunta, dili mo mabala ka nga basin isang iglap, kawal ang Blooms, kay di na tinuod o dili makitabo. Mas managdagan pa na siya each passing day. Mapadayon lang mo sa pagkapot sa iyong pangandoy kay narami permidere. Tayo hanggang dulo.
Before ko nakilala yung Beanie, feeling ko stuck ako, walang direction, and I was in a dark place. Pero nung narinig ko yung Born to Win and Carrera, everything changed. Binigyan nila ako ng direction, hope, strength, and confidence na maniwala ulit sa sarili ko. So Beanie, thank you for being the light in the dark. Thank you for giving me a reason to keep pushing every day.
Mabuhay! Kamusta, Beanie? Kami ay Blooms from Singapore. We're so excited to have you and congratulations! Mahal namin kayo!
Hi, Beanie! We are Team UAE Blooms, and we are excited to watch and meet you.
Congratulations on your new journey!
Sawadee-ka, mabuhay, Beanie. My friends from Philippines introduced me to listen to you guys' music. I can't wait to see you guys live in the UK singing. I just want to congratulate you girls for the concert world tour and all the blessing you all been receiving.
I love you, Beanie. I applaud you.
Någon ska du få Beanie?
Yeah, I'm going to the
At det blir den største popgruppa i hele verden, og at de gjør det kjempebra. At vi kan komme på konserten.
Hello, Beanie! Me and my wife are excited to see you in London. Good luck on your new journey.
I'm Sydney and Amanda, and we're so excited to watch and meet you during the US leg of your tour. We have had an absolute blast listening to your music. We cannot wait to see how much you grow in 2025 and beyond, and we look forward to continuing to watch and cheer for you.
Your journey has just begun, and we can't wait to witness the amazing things ahead. No matter where the road takes you, we will always be here with you and give our best cheer for you. We love you! Isang mahigpit na yakap mula sa inyong Blooms. Proud kami sa inyo. Keep shining, Beanie!
Wow! What a beautiful video mula sa Blooms. Not just from the Philippines, but from all over the world. Grabe. Pero ngayon, ang sagot sa tanong, ano ang binigay ng Beanie sa Blooms? Based on what we just watched, sa tingin ko, ang sagot ay matinding saya at inspirasyon sa buhay. Nagulat pa kayo doon, Beanie? Of course, now we'd like to hear from you. Kasi ang Blooms talaga, they really prepared a lot. Kaya talagang may intense coordination between different groups to get this lovely video here today. Tulad ng nakita nating lahat, no? Beanie's presence is truly a present para sa Blooms. Kaya excited na silang makita kayo sa World Tour! But now it's time for us to hear from the girls of Beanie. Ano ba ang gusto ninyong sabihin sa Blooms at sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon?
Go, Mix!
Kais naman eh. So ayun, kita nyo naman na appreciate namin yung ginawa nyo, di ba? And sobrang nakakatuwa lang kasi never namin in-expect na may mga Blooms na makakapansin sa mga bagay na hindi namin in-expect na mapapansin nila, na they really show genuine care sa amin. And to have you guys in this journey of ours, and tulungan mo na ako. Hindi talaga magaling dito eh. We would just like to say thank you, Blooms, kasi grabe. Feeling ko yung mga napapanood yung videos namin is just maybe 20 or 10% of what we've actually went through to be here where we are right now. Oo, pang... Ano kaya aso? Okay. Si Joanna kasi. Kaya sobrang grateful namin sa inyo kasi you guys were the fruit to our labor, to be honest. Lahat to. Syempre, we also did this not just for you guys, we did this for our family, for us, for ABS. We all went through so much and sobrang nakakatuwa, sobrang... Hindi ko ma-explain. Paano ba papatagalog niyo pa ako. Pero I think you can all see that we girls were very grateful talaga, and hindi namin alam paano i-express sa inyo. That's why we do our best to express it in our craft. We may not be 100% all the time in front of you guys. We may not be always okay or smiling sometimes, but that's okay kasi I feel like that's what makes us us. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ni Joanna, authenticity. Ay, ate ay pala. Na authenticity nga, diba? And I think that's what's nice kasi we get to be like that in front of you guys. And sana maintindihan niyo yun palagi. Nasayang na yung makeup ko. So ayun, may gusto ka bang itagdag, Jo?
Yeah, syempre, aside from our Blooms, gusto rin namin mag-thank you sa families namin na nandito kasama namin. Thank you kasi alam niyo ba, Blooms, na dito sa lugar na to, dito rin kami unang nag-evaluation Nung na-feel ng boses, kaya ba na? Ito na ho yung group na bubuuin natin. Dito kami nag-perform. Yes, wala lang, parang bumabalik lang yung memories. And kasama ulit namin yung families namin. Thank you po. Dahil, thank you for keeping us grounded. Kasi, sobrang overwhelming ng mga nangyayari. Especially last year na parang bigla na lang nag-iba yung takbo, di ba? And thank you for guiding us na maging humble palagi. Right, Bebe?
Okay. Let's do the try not to cry challenge. Okay. Game. 1, 2, 3. Siyempre, maliban sa mga tininkyohan nila, of course, thank you, Lord. Thank you talaga, Lord. I mean, all of this wouldn't be possible without Him. And just imagining yung mga sacrifices and challenges na pinagdaanan namin, hindi namin masusurvive yun if we didn't trust Him and if we didn't trust His plan. So, thank you, Lord. Every day, lagi namin sinasabing, Bini, we lift up all our blessings to Him. So, yes. Thank you, Lord! Amen.
Oh my
Thank
gosh.
you very much, Sheena. All right, who would like to go next? Stacy.
Hi, Blooms! Diba? Nag-iiyakan tayo dito lahat, pero okay lang yan kasi magaganda naman kami today kasi, di ba, may glam team and everything, pero ayun, thank you so much kasi hindi nyo kami binitawan, lalo na nung mga times na hindi kami super active sa social media and everything, pero thank you dahil nandyan kayo palagi for us, para sa aming girls. Kayo yung lagi nakakaintindi sa amin, Blooms. And, grabe, naalala ko dati parang, grabe yung, grabe kasi yung, yung journey din naming Bini. Kasi, yung pinaghirapan namin talaga kung nasan kami ngayon. And, grabe, kasi lahat kami, yung mga nakikita niyong 8 dito, nag-audition talaga kami. Like, talaga pinilahan namin kung nasan kami ngayon. And super thank you sa mga nagtiwala sa amin. And of course, the family, friends, Blooms, the bosses, our management, and of course, our brands. Thank you so much. Kasi, who would have thought na parang, nakikita nyo ba yung itsura namin dati? Di ba? Like yung after training, ganun. Sino bang mag-aakala na endorser kami ng Jollibee, di ba? Kasi yung mga pangarap namin na minamanifest namin before, unti-unti na siyang natutupad. And thank you so much dahil thank you Lord for the blessing. And 8 hanggang dulo!
Thank you, Stacy. Okay, tapos na tayo sa first floor. Dito na tayo sa second floor. Okay, Gwen, go ahead.
Okay, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi di kayo iiyak sa akin. Chill lang ako, chill.
Promise?
Yes, promise. Okay, of course, we would also like to thank to Team Bini. Thank you so much to all our staff, utility, to our glam team, hair and makeup artists, to our stylist, Miss Aika Villanueva, our coaches, voice coach, dance coaches, to our road manager, to our executive producer, and of course to our manager, Miss M.Q. Malyari. Thank you so much po. Sila po yung kasama namin from the very start. Kasama namin makulong sa Bini House. Sila po yung nag-guide, nagmahal, nagtiwala sa amin. Sila yung nagbigay ng advice sa amin ng mga times na wala pa kaming kamuwang-muwang dito sa tinatahak po namin. Kaya thank you so much for your guidance. Sila po yung nagsilbing pamilya po namin dito sa work po. Thank you so much po.
Pasado sa Try Not to Cry Challenge.
Yes.
Oo, pasado. Ito, feeling ko, sure, hindi papasa sa Try Not to Cry Challenge. Maloy!
Okay. Of course, thank you po sa lahat sa inyo. Thank you so much. Thank you sa families namin, sa Bini team, sa lahat ng Blooms. Ito, palagi ko itong sinasabi na hindi talaga ako makapaniwala na may mga taong kaya palang magbigay ng ganitong type ng pagmamahal. Yung ganito kagrabing magmahal sa isang tao. And hindi ako makapaniwala na kami yung nakaka-receive ng ganitong pagmamahal. And hindi namin kayo kilala isa-isa, hindi namin kayo lahat nakakausap, hindi namin kayo nahahawakan, hindi namin kayo nayayakap, pero yung pagmamahal na binibigay nyo, sa kahit anong way, nararamdaman namin. So, maraming salamat, Blooms. And gusto ko lang malaman nyo na mahal namin kayo sobra. And lahat ng ginagawa namin, isa kayo sa mga inspirasyon namin kung bakit namin to ginagawa, kung bakit namin tinutuloy lahat ng to, kung bakit inspired kami. Maraming salamat po. And gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung isa't isa, like ourselves. We would like to thank ourselves na wala rin kami dito kung hindi namin ganito kamahal yung sarili namin, na hindi namin pinili yung sarili namin, hindi namin pinili na mag-jogging, na mag-pursue ng kung ano-ano, mag-arts, pumunta sa kahit ano. So, thank you so much po na inayaan niyo po kami na maging kami. Ako, for me, sobrang laking bagay talaga na meron akong ibang outlet outside Bini. Kasi nakakahinga ako. Na may ibang perspective, may ibang buhay akong din ginagalawan na hindi lang sa Bini umiikot yung mundo ko. So, thank you so much for letting us feel that world. For letting me feel that world. Thank you so much. Sobrang laking bagay niya sa akin kung bakit ako si Maloy ngayon. Kung bakit sobrang interested ko sa arts. Bakit interested ko sa music. It's because of the help of Bini, our management, of course, our Blooms. And gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa Bini. Thank you for this life. Thank you for giving me life. Thank you for being part of my life. And let's live this life happily. Kahit na marami tayong pagdadaanan. Alam ko na. Itong buhay na to, ito yung ikuwento natin sa lahat. Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Maloy. And now let's hear from Colette.
Pwede pong papatay ng music para hindi po tayo mag-iyakan. Parang yun ba yung nakakapagpaiyak? Siguro gagawin ko lang tong short para astig tayo kasi baka maiyak din ako. Gusto ko lang ulit i-share yung sinabi ni Joanna. Dito kami first na ano nga tawag nun, Jo? Evaluation. Tapos, yung nakita nyo online, yun yung video na yun. Tapos parang sabi talaga nila, parang hindi talaga pwede itong mga to. So, sure na ba tayo na ito talaga yung grupo na to? So, bigyan nyo parang ng chance na mag-training pa. So, thank you so much po, Direk, sa pag-push. And of course, sa lahat po ng naniwala sa amin, yung Bloom, sino bang magkaakala na mag-grow tayong lahat. 65 lang naman tayo. Dati bilang pa namin kayo, memorize pa namin yung mga mukha nyo. Ngayon, blur na lahat. Hindi na namin kayo mamukhaan. Thank you so much po sa support na binibigay niyo po sa amin. Palagi talaga ramdam na ramdam namin yung love na binibigay niyo po sa amin. Taray, dire-diretso ako magsalita. Ano pa ba? I-continue lang natin yung healthy relationship natin sa isa't isa. And gusto ko lang din, natulog na ba si Shi? Ay, gusto ko lang din.
Ang bilis ma-distract.
Thank you din. Gusto ko lang din mag-thank you sa Bini. Hala, dito ako maiiyak. Because, Woo! Okay. Hindi, wag na lang ako mag-thank you pala. I-message ko na lang kayo. Basta, I love you all. Thank you sa Yun lang, I love you lang. I love you all. Yun lang.
More, please.
More!
I-message ko na lang kayo. Okay na. Okay na pa ako. Salamat po.
Ayun na, lumabas na naman si Anger. Hindi, pero tinanggal na namin yung music para sa'yo, Colette, ha? Pero naiyak ka pa rin.
Thank you po. Basta Bini talaga. Love ko sila, syempre.
Oh, thank you, Colette. And last but not the least, let's have Aya.
Saan po yung camera? Ayan. To our bashers. Hindi. Thank you. And totoo, kasi, pero totoo, hindi po siya madali to see all the bashing and the hating, all the negativity. Hindi siya madali. Masakit siya, pero you know what? Thank you kasi that's what motivates us to keep pushing, to be stronger, and to really give out our all. And at least that's something na we can turn to something great. And minsan man nakaka-test talaga siya, super, and masakit siya, pero it also allows us to look at all the brighter things in life and the many things that we could be grateful for. And thank you kasi ayun, sa mga bashers, ang sakit niyo magsalita, pero thank you pa rin, pero kayo kasi. Baka mabash ako nito sa Twitter. Hindi, ayun, kasi because of it, parang mas lalo ako tuloy na nagkaka-purpose kung bakit it's always nice to be loving, kasi ang daming hate, ang daming negativity. So parang you get to see all of it and it makes you have that purpose to keep doing good because people need that love. People need that kindness. And us being here, being 8, being complete as 8, it shows how strong we are together. Kasi ang daming yung pinagdaanan na hindi namin sinasabi, hindi namin pinapakita. Maybe siguro minsan umaapaw na at nakikita, pero mas marami pang hindi namin pinapakita na mas masakit pa. But we are strong. And ang strong namin kasi nag-renew pa kami. We're strong. We're strong because we know we can do it. And mas strengthen pa namin ang bond namin sa isa't isa, yung skills namin, and just in general with how we're gonna be in the future. So I also wanna thank our future selves kasi there's gonna be more pa in the future. It's gonna be exciting. There's gonna be a lot of ups and downs, but at least we are all complete and it's either walo or wala. Yan po.
Maganda, 8 o wala. Maraming salamat sa ating 8 for those beautiful and heartfelt messages. Kitang-kita naman natin dun sa messages nila, di ba? We see them with their record-breaking achievements and all, but of course, underneath all that, they are human. They are very strong and beautiful women. May mga pinagdaraanan din, pero lumalaban dahil mahal nila ang kanilang ginagawa at mahal nila kayong lahat. At marami talagang nagmamahal sa Bini. Aside from the fans na nandito, thank you so much for being here today. And now we have had a wonderful time with Bini. So of course, let's take some photos to remember this day. First, let's have Bini with our dear bosses. We'd like to request our dear girls to please come here sa first floor na. First floor na tayong lahat. Yes, for our photo op to memorialize this very special milestone in the lives and in the careers of our dear Bini girls. So, of course, this is a very special moment. I can't believe na, grabe, kahit na pa-4th anniversary pa lang ang Bini, they have already reached the top They have been achieving so many milestones in their careers. They've been breaking so many records. And now we see Beanie continuing on with their greetings and their heartfelt hugs with our dear management. So now we are just going to take photos of Beanie and of course our Kapamilya bosses for this very, very special moment. And what a nostalgic scene this is. As they have said, you know, dito talaga nag-start ang kanilang pag-evaluate. Of course, we are here inside the ABS-CBN studios where it all started. So mga kapamilya and blooms na nanonood, please don't forget to keep on using our official hashtag, #BeanieKapamilya hanggang dulo. And keep on sharing our live streams, keep on tweeting, posting, commenting, and trending para sa Beanie. At syempre, hindi pwedeng walang photo op with our blooms na graduate from Beanieversity here inside the theater. So deserve nyo ang picture with Beanie. So let's do it! Okay, pero bago yan, we'd like to request everyone to please face our LEDs for a reverse angle of our photo para may photo with them. Yes, so we have our official photographer and videographer over here. Again, to Beanie and our dear management, kindly face our LEDs for our photo with the crowd. Yes, thank you, Miss MQ. Thank you very much, Miss MQ. Okay, ito na. Meron tayong official photo with the crowd. So everybody smile. Raise niyo yung mga Bloombilia. Let's go! The Beanie Light Sticks. Na of course, dadalhin natin lahat sa Philippine Arena! We can't wait for that another special milestone, that other special milestone that is about to come on February 15. All right, everybody say Beanie!